That's what it looks like when a swarm moves in. Shoot, I just kind of had that sitting there, and that wood pile, there's bees in it, and they're going into the hive. But there's still a bunch in the air. This happens every couple days around here. I can't believe it. But I just set up in the perfect spot. You see, about a couple blocks south, there's an apartment complex that it just collects bees, and they won't pay nobody to get rid of them. So I get the swarms. I've collected a couple already this year in this box, in that box over there too. And they don't appear to be from my hives. This will settle down by sunset, and I'll be able to clean up over here. Maybe I'll get my suit on, and they seem to be doing all right. We just sold some honey today, and I was gonna tell the people that, man, we might not have bees next year, but I just keep catching more. I wonder what's happening at the other yard. I caught another bee swarm without even lifting a finger. I just left a hive out in the yard. I probably ought to get another one sitting out here for just in case. I don't know. I cleaned it all up, got rid of all the beehives. There was a line of them there and one back there, and I keep catching swarms. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beehives in my backyard, and I got one in the front yard. That's pretty amazing. Got a lot going on over here. I didn't really want a beehive by my back door, but that was where it was sitting. And once they're in it, they're pretty much nailed down. So maybe this will produce some honey. I'll get my suit on and move the wood back.